In a village, there lived two silly goats. A narrow bridge spanned a swift river in the village, serving as the only crossing point. One fine day, the two goats, each on opposite sides of the river, decided they needed to cross the bridge at the same time. The first goat, standing on one side, stepped onto the bridge and started walking. From the other side, the second goat also began to cross. As they approached the middle of the bridge, they saw each other. The first goat said arrogantly, "I shall go first. Allow me to pass." The second goat retorted, "No, I must cross first. You move aside." Neither of them was willing to yield. They met in the middle of the narrow bridge, stubbornly refusing to back down. The bridge was too narrow for both to pass side by side. They began to argue fiercely, each one insisting on their right of way. The argument soon escalated into a physical fight. Hooves clashed, and horns locked as they pushed and shoved each other, trying to force the other to back away. In their foolish struggle, neither goat paid attention to the precariousness of their position. Their aggressive movements caused the bridge to sway dangerously. Finally, they both lost their balance and tumbled into the river below. The current was strong, and despite their efforts to stay afloat, both goats drowned. Moral: stubbornness and lack of cooperation can lead to mutual ruin. It is wise to practice patience and understanding, valuing harmony over pride.